bodysuit chairs for this area. These squirrels leave peanuts. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, December 1st, meaning it's practically already Christmas, right? So today I'm just getting ready because I might go shoot some outfits later, not sure. But I don't know if you guys have seen the vlog where I talked about that little section of my backyard that I was gonna turn into like a deck with a jacuzzi. Well, we've changed our mind on it and we're gonna make it like a little seating area with like a little fire place or like chimney, outdoor chimney type of thing. Today we're gonna throw like the gravel. We bought some pretty rocks to go in there, and yeah, we're just gonna set it up. I'm gonna put like flowers around there, little lanterns and stuff, I think. And yeah, we're just working on another little project in the backyard. So yes, join us in our backyard adventures. This is what it looks like for now. So we're just gonna wait for all of the stuff to come in. We want to put the chimney there, bench over here, and 2 chairs over there, and a little walkway in the middle. You guys will see. And we're gonna get a new shed, so stay tuned for that because this one's just on its last leg already. So we just got back from, I accompanied Roger because he got a haircut. And really quickly I wanted to show you guys my outfit because I feel like I haven't showed outfits in my vlog in a very long time. Who's calling me? So my top is just a bodysuit from the line by K. It is a brand by a blogger named Carla, and I've been following her blog since like before Instagram, so the fact that like I'm able to purchase some of her clothes is like, it's so cool. Like, I don't know, it's such a small world. She has such beautiful clothes. These pants are the stretch flood jeans by Reformation. These are seriously my favorite like wide leg kind of cropped jeans ever. We have Dexter over there. They're stretch and they're so like, they fit the body so well. I love Reformation jeans. My shoes are just Mules, the V Mules by Everlane. My necklace is a new obsession by Common Muse. It's just a little ball detail with a very, very thin chain. And I can make it longer, like it has the adjustable closure in the back, so I can make it longer or shorter. I decided to go shorter because I like the way it looks with this kind of like off the shoulder sweetheart neck. My watch is by Rosefield, their boxy watch with like the mesh strap. My bracelet is by Mejuri. Earrings are just my small little bold hoops by Mejuri. And that is it. So I'm gonna change because I just got home and I cannot be in my house in jeans. Like, no. Squirrels leave peanuts all over my backyard. There's one there. One over here. She leaves them there. I swear, she just hides them all over my backyard. Hey guys, it is Sunday, December 2nd. I'm simultaneously filming another vlog on this camera, so hopefully I don't get the two confused or I don't run out of like memory card space. But yes, today I'm gonna go find some more Christmas decor. Hopefully I find something because Lord knows I have the worst luck finding stuff. But yeah, I'm filming a separate video on my Christmas decor. And before I change into something more comfortable, I just wanted to show you guys today's outfit. So I'm wearing an old tank top from Zara. my Common Muse necklace, redone stovepipe jeans, J. Crew flats, which are not meant for walking for long periods of time, and this cardigan by Aritzia, which I love the way that it looks, but it gets caught on every single thing and then the strings get pulled out, so I don't like that. But I really love the cardigan and the little tortoiseshell buttons. I've just been running around like crazy. I went to 5 different stores today. By the way, I'm taking you with me as I change into more comfortable things. So yeah, I went to 5 different stores today and I did not find absolutely anything that I liked. The only thing that I found was a vase and some like Christmas tree faux branches from the Magnolia collection at Target. So yeah, you guys will see in my like Christmas decor video. But yes, not a whole lot of luck. So tomorrow we're gonna go to Ikea because I have to get some stuff for my backyard. I also want to go to CB2 this week, and I'm also gonna go to either Home Depot or Lowe's to get like real Christmas tree branches and make arrangements out of it. That is all. I'm also hosting Friendsmas, so I want to get everything done prior to the 22nd. So I'm gonna change into something more comfortable. I'm gonna eat something, I'm gonna edit. This guy's just staring at me. So I get out of the shower and I'm putting my mask on and I hear Dexter like about to knock down the sliding door. And guess who's back? And I feel like the more scared possums get, the less they move, because I swear he just doesn't move. Like I can probably walk up to him and pet him and he just won't move. And I know that their defense mechanism is to get paralyzed. So I don't know if that has to do with like why he just starts walking really slow. Like it's like if he were to get really scared, would he like completely collapse and just be paralyzed? I don't know. Just got to Ikea and Roger doesn't know how to act.
The cushion. If you don't like the color, make the cushion.
We haven't even gone to see the, like literally in the beginning of Ikea. Like, can we go? I don't have this kind of time. So we got these 2 chairs for this area. We're still waiting for the fire pit that's gonna go here and the bench that's gonna go on the other side. We have all of our new shed parts, which we have to build. And we're going to get rid of this shed. And these are just the Agen chairs from Ikea. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then I just got these cushions, which I'm not even sure if they're meant for outdoors, so I'm just gonna have to store them when they're not being used. But these are the Norna cushions. That's what we have for now. I think they're gonna look really cute with the all black like iron bench. We took everything out of the shed and Roger's gonna start building the new one tomorrow. Just wanted to pause here really quick to show you guys the kind of looks that I'm serving this early in the morning. And yes, that is the instruction manual in my hand. And it's finally done. So much better than the other one. And it's bigger too. I've never been this excited over a shed. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, December 5th, and I am getting ready to go finish Christmas decor shopping to get some more stuff that I'm missing to finish filming my Christmas decor video. And yeah, really quickly I'm going to show you my outfit, even though I don't have my shoes on. I should put my shoes on. Let me put my shoes on. Okay, so I have a huge mess in the background because I was shooting an intro for a video and I had to put everything on the bed. But this is the same outfit I wore in Portland and a lot of you really liked it, and I'm an outfit repeater, so I'm wearing it again because it's kind of chilly out. My top is just like a cropped knit sweater from End of the Stories. This is probably my favorite knit that I've ever owned in my entire life. Even though it's cropped, I just really like the way that it sits on the body, and the like arms are oversized, and I really like how it looks with like anything high-waisted. It just goes good with everything. And these corduroy pants, which are from La Causa, and my Veja sneakers. And for jewelry today, I'm wearing my Mejuri moon necklace. And for my bag, of course, I'm gonna wear my little Liffner little lady. Guys, I don't know how good this lighting is gonna be, but it is Saturday, December 8th, and I feel like I haven't vlogged in a little bit because Roger and I have been working on a backyard project, and we're slowly just adding things to it. That's what we've been doing like this whole week. That's why I haven't really vlogged. We just did like a DIY fire pit using just like bricks that we found in Lowe's, I think it was. We ordered a bench that came today. Roger's working right now. He'll be here tomorrow morning, so he'll do that tomorrow. We're just missing a couple more things for the little like area that we're working on. I want to buy some flowers. We have to hang up the right like bistro lights that we had at the side of our house. We're gonna add a couple more, and we're just gonna put them above that area. We moved them from the side of the yard to that area. And yeah, I'll show you guys what we have so far. I just wanted to let you guys know why I haven't been vlogging that much, because we've just been working on that. And when we're not working on that, I've been editing. So originally we didn't want a fire pit. We just wanted like a little chimney kind of thing. So we bought one, and when we got it, it was just way too small. So it was this little guy, but it was just way too small. So we're gonna leave it here, and we're gonna put like 2 chairs next to it, because this is just way too small for that area. So this is what we have so far. It's just this little nook. This is the new shed, which you guys saw. And yeah, I'm gonna put a bench here. Roger did this fire pit. I'm waiting on the bowl that goes on top. It should be getting here next week. These 2 chairs are from Ikea. I put away the seat pads because just in case it rains and stuff, just to like preserve them, because obviously it's not like the best quality. But yeah, for now this is cute. And then we have our bistro lights. So then my bistro lights were at the side, my side yard. This is my side yard. They were all over here, so we moved them over because we want them to just fall right above this little area. So yeah, we're gonna buy like 1 more strand of them to just hang them above this area. For back here, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I think I want to do like, you know, those little log holders just to like hold the logs, like wood logs. I think that would look cute against that fence. And then like in the corners, once I have everything set, I'm gonna add some like floral pieces. Don't know what I'm gonna add yet, but I want to do like white flowers or just regular like green plants. I don't know yet, but I do want to add greenery just to make it like cozier. And yeah, I can't wait to see the finished look. I think that's gonna be a little cute conversation area. I think I'm like the most excited about my new shed. Like, look how cute this thing is. So it's a couple of days later. We got the bench and the little bowl for the fire pit. So I wanted to show you guys what that looks like. So it's really windy today. So it's all full of leaves. I have to get the leaf blower and just blow all the leaves out. But this is the bench. We got this bench at Wayfair. It's a pretty big bench, and I do have to get a cushion for it, but I'm contemplating on what color cushion to get for it. And we got the bowl. And this is what it looks like so far. So let me know what you guys think I should do for the cushion over there. Should I do a black cushion so that it's kind of like a contrast between the two? Or should I color match this cushion and get the exact same color over there? I'm kind of torn between the two. So yeah, the pit has already been used, so it's all scruffed up, and it does have a little bit of water in it because it's been raining. And yeah, I definitely have to get a leaf blower and blow all these leaves out, but you guys can kind of get the gist of it. So yeah, I'll be updating you guys on this area in my next vlog, so stay tuned for that. I want to get some flowers, and I want to get the log holder that I mentioned. And for over here in front of my shed, I kind of wanted to get like little flower boxes with white flowers and put them here and here. I think that'll look so cute. But it depends what I'm gonna put right here. I don't know if I'm gonna put something here. So we shall see. So yeah. Just wanted to show you guys the progress so far. So my next vlog is gonna consist of my holiday parties, Friendsmas, Christmas Eve, Christmas and stuff like that. So yeah, so next vlog is probably gonna be more eventful than this one, but I just wanted to close this vlog off. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Ooh, look at this little light leaf we got here. Oh. Are you a shark boy? Good morning. Oh, Jesus. Almost broke my elbow. So yeah, that's everything. Kidding me? He's a little shark boy. I am so tired of having holes in just one of them. Not even both, just one of my socks. That is all, folks.